In this video, we're going to create a request, schedule a project, and assign resources manually and automatically. In the first 3 videos in this series, we created a product, or course template, that defined the events in our training, the roles for resources to fill, continuities, rules, and more. With all the background work done, we're going to create a request for training with the category we created our product under. A request is a precursor to an actual training project where you define important properties like the project ID, start period of the training, and the color on the Gantt chart. From that request, we're going to create a project. From the Slot Groups tab, you can see all your configured slot groups with eligibility. The system needs that eligibility to assign resources to the training automatically. If you'd like to assign resources manually or not assign them to the project, you can uncheck them here. Additionally, we can define scheduling criteria, which will tell the system how to select qualified resources. You can choose from the following scheduling criteria. Less fragmented, the system assigns the same resources for all project events when possible. Balanced, the system assigns resources so that work amount is equally distributed among all resources. Cost-based, the system assigns the least expensive resources. Property, the system assigns project resources based on a resource property defined by the user. Requirement alternative, the system assigns resources based on the hierarchy of alternatives when a single requirement is set as eligibility for that slot group. These criteria can also be set for a slot group at the product level or system-wide in the scheduling settings. Next, we'll head over to the Scheduling tab and click the Schedule button. The system finds the best solutions based off your defined preferences and schedules the training for you. When we close this dialog, we can see our new project. We didn't have the system assign trainees to the project, so let's do that manually. We'll grab our selected trainees and drop them right on the project. Now, all our required slot groups are filled and the training is ready to take place. You've now completed our scheduling series. For more information on Mint's scheduling capabilities, visit the Mint online help or our website.